Right.
Recording.
Oh, okay. Hi everyone. Today Anna has asked me to tell you a bit about the wild birds.
Our very first bird tale.
Yes, it was the very first bird tale on this YouTube channel. It was divided into, I think it was 10 different episodes.
10 different parts.
That's right, 10 different parts. And it was about River the Mallard.
Waddle Mallard, not river.
I'm sure you said river. I'm sorry.
But it's actually about Waddle Mallard.
That's good because I know so much more. There's so much more I can tell you about Waddle the Mallard because Waddle is, of course, my best friend. So, things I can tell you about Waddle the Mallard. Number one, he is an unusually coloured mallard. He has all the usual mallard colours, but they're sort of slightly different shades than usual. He's brighter, more vibrant and saturated, and he has a lot of white on the bottom. He also has white rings around his eyes, and he doesn't have a white band around his neck. So he's very easy to spot in a crowd. What else can I tell you about Waddle? Number two,
He sometimes escapes and returns.
he does. Sometimes
And he escapes by either flying or waddling away.
Yeah,
and
he's a very busy guy.
Swimming is a possible cause.
Yes, we have seen him swimming before. We've seen him flying. Only once I've seen him fly in, but it was amazing. I recognised him even with his wings open. He still looked like Waddle. If I remember rightly, his birthday is very soon. In fact, it may even be today.
Tomorrow.
Oh, tomorrow is October 14th. Is that right? Okay, so his birthday is very nearly the same as my birthday. That's nice.
Wait, I'll check. Why can't I? Oh. What? Apparently his birthday was the 13th of October, not the 14th.
Yeah, so that's today. I thought it was the 13th. We might have to pop back later and sing happy birthday. Yeah?
But today is actually the 12th.
Is it?
And
My
tomorrow.
watch says the 13th. Yeah, you're right though. Today is the 12th. Okay, well I'll fix my watch, which is a whole day fast. How did that happen? This will take a minute. Oh no, now I don't know what time it is. I forgot to look before I fixed it. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, come on, watch, this is taking forever. Okay, this is not actually changing the day.
More details about the wild birds. It was a true story about not only one of the mallard, but also our reservoir.
Yes, so there are lots of mallards that live at our reservoir.
And lots of geese and some swans.
Yes, I was getting to that. And there's also gulls, moorhens, there's grebes, great crested grebes, there's cormorants, there's herons, grey herons, there's spoonbills, pied wagtails, magpies, crows. Those are all birds that we have. Lucy.
Ha 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 ha.
You're very cheeky. You are spoiling my video. Oh my goodness. Come here, you naughty goose. Okay. But of course, the most important birds at the reservoir, according to Lucy, are the geese. Got lots of different kinds of geese at the reservoir. There's grey-lag geese,
Canada geese and a barnacle goose.
Canada geese, yeah, and one
Named
barnacle.
Dusk.
There's also Egyptian geese, which their name has goose in them, Egyptian goose, but technically they are more of a shoulder, apparently.
But actually, they are geese.
They're kind of like part way between a duck and a goose. They're like
You're wrong, they are geese.
You can look it up when we get home if you
action.
Okay, next I want to talk about the rating of the video. So the rating is U, which means universal, which means the video is suitable for everybody to watch. It's not specifically made for children, but it's appropriate for children, and older children, and adults, all ages. The video is a U because there's nothing in it that means it needs to have a higher rating. There are certain things which, if they occur in a video, automatically mean the video has a higher rating. Higher ratings are PG, which means parental guidance, which means
12 and 12,
Yeah, I'll get there.
15,
I will get there.
18, 19, and TBC.
Yeah, okay. So a PG, which means parental guidance, means that the film is mostly okay, but there's one or two bits where younger children might find it inappropriate. So it might be a little bit scary, a little bit worrisome. There might be some cartoon violence, for example, like a cheeky goose pecking a human. That kind of thing might get a video a PG rating. The next rating is 12.
And 12A2.
12A, yeah. Which means that you cannot watch the video unless you are 12 years old. However, if it's a 12A, you can watch it with a parent or grown up with you.
Parry. The movies that are suitable for 12-year-olds have be 12A's if these beeves are infrequent, and 12 if these beeves are frequent.
Yes. So again, if there's just one or two scenes that are problematic or suitable for older viewers, then it's more likely to be a 12A. If there's sort of a general violent theme all the way through, it's more likely to be a 12. A 15 means you must be 15 to watch the video. I'm just going to pause while some people walk past. You're okay, Hobson? You're okay. Sorry? No, it's loose. But it's not real, no. It'd be very, very small.
Glad I didn't get into a chase this time.
Me too, that worried me. Okay, where were we? What was I saying? Oh yes, 15 weeks. Are we rolling? Okay,
Yeah,
so
my 15 rate.
if a movie
My
or TV
movies
show-
that have strong content
Yeah,
would be rated a 15,
yeah,
even if they are frequent.
exactly. And the language matters as well. For example, things like swearing or using very aggressive language can make things be a 15 rating.
So let's
The
move
next
on to
rating,
X.
18.
Wait, X. It's part of the coach house's
Right, well,
age rating system.
X is a rating that they use in North America.
And apparently, it means that it is suitable for only for those that are 16 years older or even 17 years older.
I believe X rating means 18 or older.
But actually, it means 16 years older or 17 years older.
Okay, well, X rating isn't one that we use in the UK. We go from 15 to 18. 18
But
we
the
definitely
coach
use
house
18 or older.
uses X for some of the movies,
Does it? Okay.
specifically those with very strong content.
Yeah, well, usually X rating means a specific type of content.
But for the coach house, it's always a result for very strong content.
Okay.
Now, let's move on to 18.
Okay. Well, Well, an 18 rating means you have to be 18 to watch it.
And apparently, any of my movies that have extreme content will be rated an 18.
Yeah. Also language. There are certain swear words where if you say them, then the video is immediately classed as an 18.
And apparently, let's move on to R18.
Move on to
R18.
R18.
Which means you still have to be 18 to watch it.
Yeah. Well, usually R rating is the USA equivalent of our 18 rating.
And apparently, you need a license or be in a certain place.
Right, yes. For things that are particularly violent and gory.
And apparently, any of my movies that have very extreme content will be rated an R18. And what means TBC, which means base of my movie has been banned altogether.
TBC normally means to be continued or to be confirmed. Or to be
But for the Coach House movies, it always means banned altogether.
Does it? Well, that's going to get confusing. What other ratings do you use then?
For movies which I ban altogether, the rating has a TBC. And that's all of the ratings that the Coach House uses for their movies.
There we go.
So, sometimes.
So I have a question. Which ratings is Lucy allowed to watch? Can she watch U's?
Yes. Also PGs, 12As, 12s, 15s, 18s, and 19s, but not TBCs.
Oh.
TBCs mean on my movies means that no one, not even adults, can watch it.
I see. And what about Waddle? What ratings is he allowed to watch?
All but TBCs.
Okay.
No one can watch a TBC that I have made.
Okay. Does anybody in the gang have restrictions on what they can watch?
Yes, Marlon, Marshmallow, Fiona.
Oh. What are they allowed to watch?
Mine is allowed to watch U's and PGs, but not 12 or above. And Fiona is only allowed to watch U's. While Marshmallow can watch 12, he cannot watch 15s or above.
I see. How are we doing? How many more minutes?
2 minutes left. I think we should close down.
Okay. We can do that.
Tell the audience that unfortunately no, so the episode was cut short.
Okay, the episode needs to be cut short.
And when there are only 50 seconds left, say River TV show closes.
Put your hand up to tell me when to say it. River TV show closes.
Not yet.
Oh, sorry, you put your hand up and then nodded. Tell me when.
Now.
River TV show closes.